Hi, my name is Femi, and I'm going to do my Quidio for chapters 1 through 2, and I'm doing my basic question. Hi, my name is Femi, and I'm going to do the basic questions for my Quidio. So the basic question says, scores on the Wechsler's Adult Intelligence Scale, a standard IQ test, for the 20 to 34 age group are approximately normally distributed, with mean equal to 110 and standard deviation equal to 25. So when we graph this, our graph would look something like this, because it's normally distributed. And our mean would be straight down the middle, which is equal to 110. We could note that the standard deviation is equal to 25. Okay. A asks, what percent of people aged 20 to 34 have IQ scores above 100? So 100 would be approximately right here, and it's asking us above 100, so we're looking at the right side. Using our z-score equation, which is the number minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. So it gives us our number, our mean, and our standard deviation. So we just need to find the z-score. So 100 minus 110 divided by 25 gives us our z-score, which is equal to negative 0.4. Using our handy dandy table A, we look at negative 0.4, which equals to 0.3446. This number gives us on the left side of 100, but we need to find the right side. To find the right side, you just do 1 minus the number that you got, and you get 0.6554. But it asks us what percent, so we just change this decimal into a percent. So it would be 65.54%. That's our A. Okay. B asks us, what percent have scores above 150? So we're going to do the same thing, but first let's clear this up. Okay. Our mean didn't change, it's still 110. But this time, we're looking for scores above 150. If it's above, we're looking for the right side again. Okay. You just use the z-score equation once again. 150 minus the mean, which is 110, divided by the standard deviation, which is 25. This gives us 1.6. Then we refer back to our table A. When we look at 1.6, it's equal to 0.9452. Again, this gives us the left side. To find the right side, you just do 1 minus that number, or 52, which equals 0.0548. Again, the question asks for the percent, so we just turn this into a percent, and it would be 5.48%. That's our B. C. How high an IQ score is needed to be in the highest 25%? Okay, you can also see this question as it asking us, what IQ do you need? What IQ score do you need to be greater than 75% of people? So don't let the 25% fool you. So Since you know the 75%, you can refer to table A once again and find 75%, which would be 0.67 approximately. So using this equation once again, this time you know the z-score and not the number, so you would just solve for x. Okay. You can multiply each side by 25, which would equal 16.75, which equals x minus 110. Add 110 to both sides, and that equals 126.75. That's our x. But since you can't have 0.75 of a question right, you can round that up to 127. That's our c. So you need a 127 on the IQ test to be better than 75% of the people.